Have you ever seen those text layouts with super long shadow, maybe going off the side of the board or the post or something like that? Well, I'm going to show you how to make that in Kittl. It's super duper easy. You don't have to go and open up a bunch of panels and things like that. It's just one slider in Kittl, and I'm going to show you where to find it. And by the way, if you don't have Kittl yet, it is the ultimate design tool for typography just like this. So go ahead and sign up using the link in the description, and you'll be able to do the effects just like I show you in the video. So let's get started. All right, so we've typed out the word lucky here. Of course, you could type out anything you want in any font that you want. And all we have to do is go to the effects panel and click block shadow, the third one right here. And then with this one slider here called offset, all we have to do is extend it all the way to the max. Of course, if you can do it any size you want, but to make this long text shadow effect, we're going to max it all the way out, and then we can play with the angle right here, the angle slider, to really put it anywhere. I'm going to put it probably here, going down to the right here at more of like kind of a 45-degree angle, but of course you could play with this, go all the way around and make some really crazy cool effects. So once we get this to an area we want, we can do a lot of really cool and neat things with it. You can change the color of your shadow to really anything that you want, but if you want kind of a true version of the shadow against the background, put it to black and then lower the opacity. And as you lower the opacity, it makes a much more realistic shadow effect, right? As if light would hit against that background color, giving you a lot of really nice depth. Now, what's also super great about Kittl is that now I have that shadow effect. If I type any other word, boom, it's already applied, as well as choosing a different font. So let's go over here. Let's choose a completely different style font. We can try this chewy one right here. Boom, it's already affected to that font as well. The same effects, you don't have to do anything else. And now we can change the background color. And because we have the shadow with the opacity lowered, it's going to apply there as well. Now, if you want to see other tutorials using Kittl, I have these videos here on my right that I know you're going to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos and features and things like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.